Yeah.
Alright guys.
Open up the drink.
Welcome to the Q&A. Today we're just going to be doing some questions. I put out a little comment on my Instagram and Snapchat, as you guys might have seen, asking you guys for some questions. And we're going to be answering some of those questions that you guys put out today. So to start out,
I was promised drink before questions. Now let's get drunk before I have to answer any more questions. Now, boy.
Fine. Alright.
Just a disclaimer though,
No.
alcohol removed. So don't sue us. Could you be any slower?
You want to do this?
No, I'm
The
not.
suspense is really good.
Hey, now pop the cork.
Alright.
Right into the ocean. It's gonna hit the
I don't know how
camera.
to do this.
It's gonna probably hit the camera.
How do you do this?
Just do that.
Alright. You guys ready?
God. Sounds like a gunshot.
People are going to be wondering what we're doing down here.
I want to see if I can see the cork thing. I'll probably just plop it.
Alright, before we start, we're going to just do a little toast to our success.
Join your channel. Oh, that's disgusting.
I don't know, that stuff's not bad.
Even the fishes want to drink that. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Here,
Just,
you want to
just so you
smile?
guys make sure that we're not getting drunk, this is alcohol removed, so
Oh, that's disgusting.
Alright.
Bro, you killed a fish so we could drink this?
So as you guys as you guys said,
Keep going.
alright. Okay, let's see here. On Snapchat. First question comes from Ella N. Scales, and she asks, who's your favorite neighbor, Tony?
Sorry, I was really thirsty. My favorite neighbor is our neighborhood cat, Gomer.
Really?
Yep.
Is she a dog?
I said cat. Are you stupid, bro?
He's a cat. I wasn't listening. Alright, my favorite neighbor is probably the neighbor's dog, Reagan Minipoodle, or I don't know, some other person.
Yeah.
The person who invites me to, oh, you know what? Actually it's probably the Cells, because they have like the best birthday parties, or just any parties at all.
But in favorites, I picked the cat so I could be neutral.
I said the cat, I said the dog, and my neighbors, so yeah. Alright. Quit refilling mine. Put some in yours. Just at least put some in yours, like make it look like you're actually drinking some. You don't actually have to drink it.
Well, this stuff is so bad.
I like it.
Can I catch it?
We'll get a cup.
Are you recording?
Yeah. Still recording. I'll just cut it out. Boy, put a little bit more. You can dump it all out into my thing, but I don't care. We're drunk anyway, so. What's that? No, oh my gosh. Go out the way you came.
I can't, your mom locked the door.
God,
Shoot, no,
I can't do it.
I can't do it. That moved pretty easy.
Oh my god, we should have gone to my room.
I know. But then you know they would have followed us. Alright, let's see.
Next question.
Alright, so next question is from Barons45, who commented, what color are your socks? Well, as you can see, I actually do not wear any socks. So, Tony, what color are your socks?
Sorry, this is just really good. Oh, my socks? White Under Armour. Sponsored, totally.
Alright, yeah, this video is sponsored by Under Armour. Don't forget to cop the merch. Link in bio. Jack Dorman asked, what's your YouTube?
What do you think it is? I can't remember that name.
I don't know. I forget. I don't know. Next question. Cameron Whipple 7. What made you decide to be straight? Alright, so this is a scary question. So this
What
is
did you say?
what made you decide to be straight? This is geared towards me because it's a scary question. I'm not really straight. I just ride a street setup. So I'm a park rider with a street setup, but it's like still fun. And it's just like the tall bars, the white deck. This gives you more of like a comfort feel. And yeah.
I don't understand scooters, but I understand Fortnite. Hit me up.
Tony, what's the best thing you've ever accomplished before?
Winning my first solo, where I'd never seen my parents more proud of me. Just crying tears of joy. My son finally did something useful for once.
Alright. Let's see. Who else has something? Really?
You better drink it all.
You just, I don't even let him drink it because I know you're just gonna pour more. You're getting my camera gear all wet.
You just throw it off the ship so casually. I need to get a napkin after this.
Alright.
Keep going. Yeah.
Half Bars asks, what's your favorite sport?
Football.
Scootering, but
Scootering isn't a sport.
Scootering is a sport. It's just not like a known.
Bro.
It's just not a commonly known sport.
I take chess as a sport over scootering.
Chess is a sport. It's just been around for so long that people actually know what it is. But scooting's like only happened for like the first couple 30 years or so, and not really too many people know about it. So I gotta say scootering or probably football. Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Next question.
Nate Olt Culver asks. Nate Olt Culver asks, what's your favorite color?
Ooh. Ooh. Gonna be bubbles tonight. Okay, what's the question? Okay, what's the question? Oh, it's the favorite color.
Nate Olt Culver asks, what's your favorite color?
Probably pink.
Pink?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, I forgot. 1 second, I gotta go grab my pink hat. Can't do the video without it. Alright,
Okay.
we're back. I got my pink hat. Everything's cool now. Let's see. Scroll through the comments.
Yeah, delicious. Might as well eat the plastic.
Angling Army asks, why do you wear elf shoes all the time?
Hey, don't make fun of my $3 discount bin Walmart shoes. I pay her good money for this. Guess how much these were?
$3.
You and your shoe prices. How do you know this stuff?
Caleb Price asks, why do you always wear such colorful socks? I gotta say, it's just because I always have fun with colorful socks, especially long socks.
You can tell they're really colorful right now. They even blend them with the skin.
I got like these foot colored socks. They like are like ashy colored, so it just blends right in with me. Oh, and they got like a little scab here on them, just like for a little added effect. Tony, why do you always wear such colorful long socks?
As you can see, I wear white socks every day.
Super long. Hold on.
I'm brighter than my future. Okay, next question. Never buy free brand alcohol removed sparkling brew. It's called sparkling brew. We probably should have known better than to drink it.
Alright.
Bro, that
Next
motion is
question.
loud.
T. Goosh asks, what are you doing?
His name's T. Goosh.
Yeah, like T-G-O-C-H-E.
Yep.
I'm sorry if I butchered the name.
It's a Jake Paul mix, right? What are we doing right now? We're on a cruise, sailing in the middle of the ocean, recording videos.
We're on our deck. It's my birthday, by the way. So, if you guys
Are you gonna say that every day? It's March 11th through the 12th. We did it on the 12th because it's a prank.
If you guys haven't seen the prank, my birthday video, which is kind of like a prank, but not really, go watch it. It'll be down in the description below.
We got some hilarious reactions from that.
It was pretty fun. Alright.
Probably gonna have to be our last question.
What was the question again?
What are we doing right now?
We're on a cruise in the middle of the Atlantic, and I forget where we're sailing to.
Did you say Atlantic?
Yeah. What?
For some reason you failed social studies. We're at the Pacific Ocean.
Let's check Snapchat now.
We're in the Atlantic.
You didn't need a comment. We're on it on Snapchat.
Let's just call it even and say we're in the Mediterranean Ocean.
The Pacific is cold.
Just like your soul.
Here, you guys saw it first. Atlantic Ocean. Tony, you just got it proved wrong.
I told you.
Who really actually failed social studies? You did. Boy. And to be fair, we're actually in the Caribbean Sea, so
Mediterranean.
there's a reason why you have to have
The Mediterranean's near Greece and Russia.
Shut up! We're gonna have to cut this part out with you. Okay?
That's a wrap. Good job, dude.
Oh my God. Can I dump this in the ocean?
No.